So, today is December 21st, and what does that mean? Today is Christmas Cookie Day. That's right, in the Garzella household. Time to bust out Grandma Garzella's recipe book, make some Italian cookies for Christmas, and we'll let you know how things go as the day progresses. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Okay, so we've got Grandma Garzella's world-famous cookbook out. We're going to go to the cookie section. You can see it's very well worn. We're missing some pages. Maybe some special stuff, really not sure. But, of course, there's the gnocchi. There's the gnocchi recipe, but we don't share that because that's a special recipe. And then we're going to go over to the old spritzer cookies, some Italian cookies, and some amarettis. We're going to make some amarettis today as well. Alrighty, so enjoy. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.
That good, CJ?
Say again?
Full bag of potatoes in.
Alright. Jessica's working the sauce.
Do you need
Set the timer for 20 minutes.
salt in the water?
What we do is we have a knife and a spoon.
Alright.
So what we're after is the meat inside
Yeah.
here. So like this one, it's already kind of broken up.
Yeah, because I was peeling it.
We can go like this, and then you just take this, and just take the meat. See, like, boom. And if you don't take it all, that's fine.
Yeah.
See, got most of it. Good.
Boom, bing, bong.
Bing, bong, bang. And then I would take the, because I don't have any peels in here. You don't have any peels. That's good.
We can go on those belly
My
button.
belly button. Where's my belly button? There's my belly button. Huh. Belly button door is closed. Let me go. Belly button! Oh, my belly button!
He stuck his finger in his belly button.
Careful, you never know who the belly button bougies might come out. The belly button bougies might come get you.
You.
That got an innie. Careful.
CJ's got an outie.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. It's not a bad thing.
Oh, look at that look. Oh, I love that look. That was a cute look. Josh, doing the mashing the yolk.
Mashing.
Yeah. We're making gnocchi.
Yeah.
And we're not making it the quick method, we're doing it the traditional
Do it the real way.
traditional method.
And we did only half a cube of butter and 3/4 of a cube of butter.
Yeah. We did a 10-pound bag of potatoes, but we only yielded maybe half that, I think.
Silence.
What are you guys doing?
We're making gnocchi,
Yep.
and the lights just went off on CJ's monitor.
Do you know what?
Sleep.
How do you know how to make gnocchi like that?
Well, Dad gave us very thorough instructions on how to make them, and we're not quite doing it exactly how he told us to, but I think we're doing okay. And CJ's screaming again.
Oh,
We got Grandma Mary's cookbook.
Yep.
yep. All right. Can't wait to eat it.
Yep.
Mangia bene.
And I dust it, then I pick it up with the spatula and put it on the sheet.
So with the dough, we're probably gonna have about 2 cups of flour in it, and then we knead it into a big ball.
So you're gonna knead it, where you're gonna knead it with, put more flour in as you're kneading. Don't dump, don't dump a cup of flour where you're kneading. You knead it. You dump a little flour and you knead it. You roll it. Dump a little more flour and you knead it. You roll it. The wood plank is gonna absorb the flour, and that's gonna start sticking. So you gotta make sure that you put some flour on the board again.
Right.
You always put flour on the board or on the dough. Floor, board. Once you get it rolled in to a nice little, what you feel is okay. It's soft, it's sticky, yet not too sticky.
Yeah.
You make your little big French bed roll. Cut a piece off. It's going to take you, you know, maybe 2 pieces to figure out how long you want it. If you make too big of a pieces, too fat, just cut it in half, put it aside, and keep rolling the other one till you get the size that you want. I don't like big, huge ones. I know you like big, huge ones, but sometimes I think you like them because you want to just get done quicker, right? Because it takes longer to do it with the smaller ones.
Yeah.
But you get a better turnout with the smaller ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you cut them, I like to use my thumb and just roll them. And there's an art to it, kind of. Don't press all the way down. There's a touch to it. You just gotta give it a roll. If you don't worry about it.
Yeah.
You know, put a couple fork marks in it, and you're okay.
Yeah.
Then what I do is I dust my tray, and I dust what's on the already on the that I've cut, and then I spatula it over.
Okay.
And then I make sure that when I put it on there, that they're not touching.
Okay.
And then I run them down into the freezer. Once the first tray is down, I take them down to the freezer. I don't let them sit up here.
Wait, you have to freeze them before you cook them?
No,
Oh.
you're going to have a lot more
Right.
here, believe me. You'll
Yeah.
have a lot more. So you'll know by your dough
Right.
what you got left and how many trays you've put in the freezer,
Yeah.
what your situation is.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
Usually I cook 1 tray. Around, yeah, I think we're going to start, you know, I mean, I thinking it's good. So, yeah, we can always get it more. See, this is not good. It needs to get, yeah, but gently, not like that, not push, just roll it gently. You want to get it just all to meld together. So one big hot dog, one big loaf of French bread. Figure out how long that's going to be if it's fairly consistent over here. So let me just take a piece off. Does this put some flour down? I'm going to roll the yolk out. This dough has got some chunks in it though.
It's okay.
This is a big piece, so we cut it in half. Throw that piece up, bring that piece down. And we're just gently on top, we're not squishing it. We're just kind of rolling it, and we're kind of gently spreading our hands across the top. So depending on what size you want
Yes,
your
you can work the other one.
Yeah, you can. Depending on what size you want your gnocchi, is the thickness of your tube and how thick you want, how big you want. And remember, they're going to puff up a little bit.
Right.
So you might want bite-sized pillows. Maybe 30 seconds. So the most important thing is that we put our little dimples in, and we put our finger on there. We roll it towards ourselves.
You gotta get
Like that.
zoom in on that.
Boom. Boom. Just put little nipples on them. And those are little cups for the sauce to hold in. For the
Oh,
gnocchi.
that's what it's for.
Yeah. So there's something for the sauce to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, now you know.
There you go. Now you know. Good?
Oh yeah.
Good.